Here with the last of these, everyone, we do have problem 5, and we are talking about the total number of thousands of U.S. cellular telephone subscribers. And so this is not U.S. Cellular, the company. This is just the number of people in the thousands that have cell phone subscriptions in the United States. So we're asked to find a linear and a quadratic model that represents the data. So as we have done before, we don't want to use those gigantic year numbers. So we're going to insert a column to the left. And we're going to say years past 1985. And so it looks like in 1985, there were 340,000 people that had cell phones. That's quite a lot. That sort of surprises me. But years past 1985, we've got 0, 5, 10, no. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to continue that pattern down until it doesn't work anymore. So that 10 works, 12, 13, 14, it looks like it worked the whole way. Awesome. So we're going to use those numbers, everyone, not the years. And here we are going to go to Insert, Chart. We've got this kind of going up here. Look how steep that is getting. It's really taking off. It looks like the number of U.S. cell phone users really took off in the year 1990, and then even a bigger jump in the year 1995. So with that, everyone, what we do need to do is come over here to Customize Series, get a trend line. We're asked to do a linear and a quadratic. The linear model does not look like it fits it very well at all, but we will get it since we were asked to do so. And we need a quadratic. The other option here that might even be better than a quadratic is an exponential. I'm just going to look at the exponential. You can see that kind of fits, but let's go polynomial to the power of 2, and that fits extremely well. So we will use the polynomial to the power of 2. That one fits the data really, really nicely. And that is quadratic. So use the better of the two models, which is definitely the quadratic. So again, the quadratic is a great model for this one, so we're going to use that one. Predict the number of cell phone users in the year 2020. I bet it's going to be a bunch. And that's probably going to be correct. If anything, this model is going to underestimate that number because there's a ton of us using cell phones in the year 2020. And so we were going years past 1985, so that is 15 plus 20 is 35. So our x values here, everyone, are going to be 35. Remember to put the star in there for multiplication. And we get 731,080. So the model predicts that there will be, how many again? 730,000, 731,80. Cell phone users in the year 2020. All right. I wonder how many there really are. I'm going to check, and I'll be right back. So this, everyone, says that in America, 97% of people now own a cell phone of some kind. And if we go back to problem 4, there were 333 million people, 333.6 million. So this number is way low. That's actually sort of staggering.